Featured here is the improved Pneu-Tek Bead Seeder. Now this style of bead seeder is very common to the market and has been for the past 20 or so years. As a matter of fact, we are the original inventors of this style of bead seeder, but we've made some improvements on the Pneu-Tek version of this bead seeder. And so I'll show you some of the new features of the tool. As we come in here, first thing that we look at is the discharge barrel of the tool. And we can see that it's made out of a heavier material. It's made out of a Schedule 40 material, so it just makes that barrel more durable, longer lasting in the field. We also see that it has a nice wear plate here so that the tip of the barrel is never in the dirt. And again, it's just going to ensure that you have a longer life and use on that barrel. And then you'll also notice that we have an improved rest piece on the barrel. It's much more heavy duty, so it's not going to get bent or distorted, so you're going to have a longer life in the field. And then you'll see that it has a unique contour here. And what that contour does is it allows it to work on both steel as well as aluminum wheels. That's where the rest piece goes. And so there's an improvement in the barrel there for longer service life. As we go up here, we also see the improved discharge valve for the Pneu-Tek Bead Seeder. This is a domestic valve, or I should say this is a name brand valve. It's not a cheap Chinese knockoff, and it has an improved discharge handle. The old discharge handles open this way, and there was a potential to lose control of the tool and maybe misdirect the air. But now with this improved discharge handle that opens up this way back towards the machine and towards the operator, you have much more control with this handle. It's a little easier to use because you have more leverage, and it takes just a flick of 2 or 3 fingers in order to fully open that handle up. So it's a little bit of a quicker discharge, you have more control, and because it's not hanging out there in space, you'll probably get a little more durability and a little more life out of that handle as well. Here we have an improved gauge. This is what they call a pancake gauge, and that means that the gauge can take more shock. Again, it's more durable, you're going to get more service life out of it, and it's going to give you an accurate reading of the pressure within the tank time after time. And so it's also somewhat of a safety issue as well. And then here, what we've gone to is an air manifold. And out of this air manifold, we have, first of all, our safety pop-off. So again, a quality component that acts as a safety feature, so you can never overfill this tank to where it would explode or blow up. And so this would relieve any excess pressure. And then we have a quality ball valve for filling the tank as well, so a quality filler valve. And so those are some of the improvements. Another thing that you'll notice in the new improved Pneu-Tek version is that we have a larger capacity tank. Typically, the common tank on the market was a 5-gallon tank. We've gone to an 8-gallon. It's given us greater capacity. You get more impact with the air. You're able to seat more difficult tires. And so those are some of the features and improvements of the Pneu-Tek Bead Seeder.